It is October 9th, and our couch is in place, but it is covered in tools. We have moved on to the cabinetry in our kitchen. The cabinets above the stove are to be looking like steamer trunk that's up there. And so Corey worked very hard getting the hardware on that gives it that aesthetic. We're still working on putting a door on and making all of that look like a trunk hanging from the ceiling. And he currently is working on the bathroom door because in the last couple of days we have finished up the bunks. They're supported and cushions are in place, but like everything in here, they are acting as storage to keep things out of our path as we work, because it's a small space, is it not? Yeah. Is there anything you wanna say? I know you are. I don't know. You doing okay?
It's been a rough day today, but I think we're doing good.
It started off really good.
Really good, and then just every little thing that shouldn't have gone wrong did, and it was just like, really? Are we serious?
This too.
This too?
This
oh,
too.
Of course it is. Everybody jump in, and then everybody jumped in. So, yeah, got through most of it. I think it's looking better.
I think so too. It's exciting to see it come together. Always an adventure.
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.